In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then go to phone book, and now locate the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. And now tap on Info and click on Edit. Now if you wish to apply a photo to this contact, just tap on Edit here, and then let me just pick Replace, click on Change Photo, and you can pick from your gallery, from pictures that you've got. Let me just, for example, this one. Now you can customize it just like this. Also you can use those switchers. Tap on Save then. Save again. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, this photo is assigned to Anna. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.